It moves silently. It watches. It remembers. But in reality, it does much more than just cleaning. Every movement is a measurement. Every stop is a decision. And every time it starts cleaning, it is learning your world. When the robot starts moving, it does not wander. It does not guess. It already knows where it is and where it should go next. For it, your home is not chaos. It is structure. It is a system. Inside most modern robot vacuums, there is a laser sensor called LiDAR. It constantly sends out invisible pulses of light, thousands of times per second, measuring distances to walls, furniture, and every object. This is how the robot begins to see space. From millions of these measurements, a second world is born. A digital copy of your home. Not a picture, not a simple map, but a real, spatially accurate model. At first, this map is just a memory. But with every cleaning run, it becomes more precise. The robot starts remembering rooms, passages, narrow spaces, and over time, it begins to understand them. Every new cleaning is not repetition. It is optimization. Paths become shorter, movements become more precise, cleaning becomes faster. But a home is not static. New obstacles always appear. Cables, shoes, toys. Modern robots can see them before touching them. In newer models, real vision appears. Cameras and recognition algorithms. The robot does not just avoid objects, it starts understanding what is in front of it. Over time, it notices something even more interesting. Not just objects, but you. Which rooms you use more often. Where dirt appears faster. And when the home is usually empty. Part of this digital copy of your home does not live only inside the robot. It lives in the app and sometimes in the cloud. That is how you can control cleaning from anywhere in the world. In the future, the robot vacuum will not work alone. It will become part of a bigger organism. The smart home. Lights, climate, security, everything working as one system. The next step is not just reaction. It is prediction. The system will know where a problem will appear before you even notice it. Fun fact: modern robot vacuums use the same core principles as the robots exploring Mars. The navigation algorithm that helps them move around your home is a simplified version of what space rovers use on other planets. Basically, you already have a tiny space robot in your house. So next time your robot starts cleaning, remember, this is not just an appliance. It is a machine building a digital model of your world, and slowly learning how to live inside it.